What's up, Purist? This is Bob from Purist Motorsports. I'm going to work on Almost Ford today. Let's try to get some decals on. We're going to start now. So on this car, I completed it in 2018, and the decals we used, it was an NOS kit. The yellow chevrons were old, and after a few months they started to bubble and come apart. So I made a template and then took it to a local print shop, and I had some made, and I had multiples made because I'm sure I'll screw this up. I'll have to trim it. I actually trimmed this one the other day, but the reason I'm putting these on now is because I have pulled the old ones off. They actually just came off without any trouble. So these should stay on for much longer, I hope. We'll do a little magic with the time lapse, and maybe we'll have a well, maybe she'll get her clothes back on. Ha. So let's get the time lapse going. So there it is. I gotta wipe it down on the inside, but that's it. Still gotta get this to lay down. Sprayed too much on it. So anyway, it's getting better. Now we gotta do the other side. Alright guys, round two. Had to stop the other day, so this is day two of getting the decal back together, getting the clothes back on the car. I'm going to put the other yellow chevron on.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, it's almost done. I've got to get this wrapped around the corner, which I've made my mix too strong with the soap, so it doesn't want to wrap and get stick to the door around the edge. I do that because I don't want you to. I don't like to see a cut line along the edge of the door. I want it to wrap around. So there's that. But it's pretty much done. I need to wash the whole car. But they're back on. It's better. They're not peeling or bubbling, which is good, but the perfectionist in me still wants to do another round of them. The other things I've got to do to it, which we'll do in the next video, is fix this. This is why Saleen used screws. It keeps popping forward, and it's because I have not put the screws in on the side. There's a screw that goes about right there. So that's for another day. Whether you're driving them or whether you're restoring them, always enjoy them. Peace.